Good morning, guys. It is 8 a.m. I got up at 6:30 today. And I've just been honestly watching YouTube videos and doing my daily regimen. So this vlog is going to be me preparing to move to Muskoka. So just the next 2 days of packing and grabbing last minute things and all that jazz. So yeah, in like 20 minutes I get to pick my courses. My course is open and I have to submit them. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm currently drinking my matcha. Yeah, so I'm gonna drink my matcha, pick my courses, eat some breakfast, and then Mom and I will probably go on our morning walk. My courses open in a minute. I'm just waiting for it to be 8:30 so I can submit my courses. Courses are submitted. It's 8:45. My YouTube video is uploading and I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I do avocado, spinach, lemon juice, pepper, and a little bit of salsa on my avocado toast. I'm just taking in the nice morning. It's about 9 a.m. eating my avocado toast, and then Mom should be finishing up her work by then and we can go for a walk. So Mom needs more time, so I'm gonna do a like at-home workout now for like an hour, and then we'll walk hopefully. My workout is complete. I'll show you what I'm wearing today. And yeah, then we're going on our walk, but I'm just wearing this outfit. Good focus. This top is from Aritzia. These shorts are from Boathouse. I'm gonna wear white Vans right now. I have no socks, no shoes on. Sorry. So yeah, I love this top because I don't have to wear a bra. We are back from our walk. We walked around 6K. I ran to my friend, and I am hungry now. So I'm gonna make lunch. How was the walk? Fabulous. And there you go. I made a big salad with grilled veggies and some avocado and a veggie burger. And we set the fire alarm off 8 times making it. And yeah. Lunch with the pup. It's way too nice out not to take advantage, so I'm going to lay outside for a while and procrastinate packing. So yeah, but this is my bathing suit. I wear it pretty often. Look how bad this tan line is. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm just gonna tan and read and chill. Sorry, my phone. And then I'll start packing, or actually I don't know, it depends what time it is, because I'm modeling for a jewelry company called Hickox in Port Credit, so I have to do that, and then maybe I'll pack. I don't know, we'll see. But I am going to lay outside since it's nice out. This is my backyard, by the way, and this is where I tan. It's so comfy. It's literally a bed, and that's where Mom and Dad work. But literally, it's such a sweet setup. Ugh. Like, yes, please. It got cloudy, so I came inside, but I literally just took a nap. And it's about 2 p.m. and I'm gonna probably start getting my stuff out. So basically I have a list of random things I know I want to bring, and then my list of must-to-dos. And I'm just going to lay everything out on my bed and then think of how I want to pack it. Yeah. I'm still pretty hot, so I'm just gonna chill in my bikini for a while and then I'll change. I'm thinking today I'll do like random things, food and whatever I came up with just like in the last week, and then tomorrow I'll do like clothes. So I just need to think of how I want to pack the random things and what like random things I really need to pack. So let's just do that. So this is all the random stuff. I found a bunch of cleaning stuff I never used from school. Now I just have to figure out like how I should pack this. I don't know. I painted my toenails. I just painted my nails since that's what's being shot, and we're gonna head out on to photo shoot for Hickox. We just finished rings and now we're on to necklaces. It's cute in here. We picked up raw ora. I got a falafel wrap. Mom got the Burston burrito. We got kale chips. Hi guys, I had a bath and it was lovely. Basically, I modeled. That was great. I was there for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Mom and I picked up raw ora. It was delicious. And now I'm going to literally watch Good Witch and lay in my bed. I'm like really tired. I don't know why, but yeah. Got all my stuff. I also think I'm literally just gonna stay in my robe because I just love being in a robe. I'm gonna like put all my moisturizer on and wash my face and just chill in my robe and watch Netflix. It's literally 8 p.m. I could go outside and lay on that bed. Should I do that? I don't know. You'll see. This is honestly so nice. I could sleep out here. I totally would, but it's gonna rain tonight. I'm just watching YouTube. And it's 10 p.m. and Mom and I just covered all the cushions because it's gonna rain, which sucks because I totally want to sleep out there, but not in the rain. So I'm gonna go make my puka tea and then head to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, it's 6 a.m. I just grabbed warm lemon water, peach pineapple, and strawberries. I'm gonna have that and watch some YouTube. We're making vegan pancakes. We're using the Enjoy Life mix with vegan and gluten-free. So yeah. I made my matcha. We're starting the mix. Here's our testers. We will see. Are you excited? Pretty excited about this. Thank you. Okay, so I'm home. I am now gonna, I don't know, I could start getting my things ready. I don't want to pack it all. It's gonna be so annoying. Shorts and tops. Obsessed with the dresses on, sorry. Pants. And we're still going strong. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna fit this all. Mom's cooking up a storm. Yum. Oh my god, I'm hungry. It's gonna be so good. Yum. We have lots of leftovers from lunch, so I think I'm just gonna cut these in half and put them on salads. So that'll give me 2 lunches. And then meal prepping for the cottage, I'm just making this, I'm gonna make the whole box of this pasta, and that'll last me for like about 2 dinners. So it's been about an hour. This is what I'm wearing to dinner. Just this little tie top from Aritzia. These American Eagle jeans are super old. Vans, purse, and yeah.